Hey guys, so today's video is about how I make my favorite body butter without the use of a mixer. For this body butter, you need 3 basic ingredients, which are whipped shea butter, coconut oil, and moringa oil. You can now go ahead and reduce the shea butter to 50% to make room for the other oils. The quantity needed of these products are 200 ml whipped shea butter, 100 ml coconut oil, and 50 ml moringa oil. Next step is to dissolve the coconut oil by using a double boiler. The water I took as seen earlier was pre-cooked just to fasten the process. Go ahead and dissolve the coconut oil until it is completely dissolved. The needed amount of coconut oil is 100 ml. While dissolving the coconut oil, you can fasten the process by stirring through. As soon as the coconut oil is completely dissolved, simply add all desired amounts to the shea butter. Also add the 50 ml moringa oil to the shea butter. Now you can see how all the oils are being added to the shea butter. All these products are organic, cold pressed, and made in northern Ghana. You could as well use other essential oils such as baobab seed oil, but I chose moringa oil because I don't want my skin to look darker. Baobab seed oil do repair the skin fast and it doesn't get hard. Now you can go ahead and stir through the mixture by using any handy tool or device. Keep stirring until you see the shea butter slowly absorb all the oils. The next step is to place the jar in a bowl of warm water to smoothen the texture. Continue to stir afterwards. After a couple of minutes, you realize that the bottom part of the shea butter is a little dissolved. You can now go ahead and use a clean, dry spoon to simply smoothen the texture by stirring through for a couple of minutes. At this stage, you can as well add any natural aroma to the body butter if you so desire. This could as well be a tiny cube of cocoa butter which is completely dissolved. Mind you, cocoa butter is pretty hard, so we don't recommend using more than 20 or 10 grams. The natural aroma of cocoa butter is also quite intense, so you wouldn't need a lot of that. You are almost done. Simply clean your jar until it's completely oil-free and you have your DIY body butter, just as you prefer. Look how soft the final product is. You can now see how easy it is to apply on your skin. So effortless. This product is good for hair and skin. All these products are available on www.aquafabeauty.nl. All these products are meant for our clients to be able to make their own hair and body products. The whipped shea butter and the other oils are all available in 3 sizes, so you can always choose which size you want to start with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.